So I've got an E10 error from Electrolux washing machine. So what it does is it randomly stops and pauses the washing cycle. Apparently this is related to an inlet water supply. I tried cleaning the drain pump filter as well as remove the fitting and cleaning the filter, but that didn't fix this issue. So to get the machine running again, I need to come back to the machine and push this button to start. So it's got 1 minute to go. Does anyone know how to fix this issue? Please share or comment below. Thanks.